colorful and the line goes from different places. So it's the same thing as when our student inquire. Okay, their inquiries can go deeper or can go to beyond your expectation. So yeah, so we need to expect that it will be chaotic. Okay po, so what do inquirers do? What do inquirers do? Ano nga ba ang ginagawa ng mga inquirers? So sinabi natin, nagtatanong, yan, let's go deeper. So I will be showing you different pictures, okay? And I want you to look for verbs. What are the verbs of what is going on in these pictures? Okay? Ano po ba yung mga verbs na pwede nating ibigay dito? And while looking at this picture, I want you to pause and reflect and use the chat box po para po mabasa natin. Okay, looking at this first picture, what do inquirers do? What are the doing words for the learner? So I can read some ano po dito. So sabi dito, search, explore, seek, explore, observe, investigate. Yan, explore. Inspect, try, seek, go deeper. Solve, connect. Interesting answers. Analyze. Discover. Okay. Interpret. Dito sa photo na ito, the child or the girl has a lot of wonderings. Ayan, nakikita nyo yan, meron siyang, ano nga kaya ito? And even if you can see the shadow there, can you see the shadow? Siguro itong batang ito nag-iisip na to, bakit nandun ang shadow ko? Saan galing tong shadow na to? So kahit mga simpleng mga bagay, di ba? Pag tinignan mo siya at inintindi mo mabuti, may makukuha at may makukuha ka sa mga bata. Okay, next po natin. This one, what do inquirers do here? What are the doing words for these learners? Amaze, experiment, observing, experience, experiment, participate, immersing, discover, involving, learned, proving something. Okay, exploring. Yeah, proving. Okay, so in this picture, ayan, sige lang po, mag-message lang po kayo dyan, mag-type lang po kayo dyan. Ayan, experiment, working together. In this video for me, I can see that these kids discovered something. Kita niyo sila, nakanguso sila. Nakanguso sila. Bakit sila nakanguso? Kasi hinihipan nila yung Ano yung hinihipan nila mga kapatid? Yung windmill. Di ba nagano sila, parang they do experiments, pero they discover na iikot pala to because of the wind. So, hindi nila alam, nung nag-experiment sila, okay, nagte-test, ayan, tama si Sir Alvin, test. Okay, nag-test sila or gumawa sila ng isang experiment about windmill kasi pinag-aaralan nila yung wind. So, na-discover na nila na kapag pala malakas yung hangin, gagalaw pala ang windmill. Yan. Ang magpapagalaw ng windmill na ito ay yung hangin. So, na-discover nila yon. Okay? Next. How about this photo? What are the doing words for this guy? Comparing, texting. Tinetext pala na may comparing, okay? Contrasting, transferring, making connections, capturing, scanning, gathering data, examining the details, transferring. Ayan. So, integrating. Actually, this photo, kung nakikita nyo, mapapansin nyo, meron siyang hawak. Realia, yung isang hawak niya, and that yung sa phone niya naman is a photo of that realia. So, nag-e-explore siya, and this guy is making connection. Actually, this guy is exploring and making connections about that the real object na hawak-hawak niya at doon sa photo na nakita niya sa phone through his phone. So ayan, so ganun din po yung mga estudyante natin. If they find something kahit sa classroom or kahit sa bahay po, magkakaroon sila ng connection. Oo nga no, nakita ko ito sa ganito. Saan ko nga ba ito gagamitin? Or saan paano ko ba ito gagamitin? Di ba po, nag-e-explore ang mga bata. Ganun, even adults, we love to explore, and we from our exploration, we make connections. Ayan. Sabi din po dito, looking for difference or similarities. Yes. Kasi nga nag-e-explore itong taong ito, nag-e-explore at tinitingnan niya may pagkakaiba ba? Siguro minsan siguro ito yung ano ko, yung nabili natin sa Lazada or sa Shopee. 'Di ba? So tinitingnan natin yung photo doon sa na binili natin at yung pagtanggap natin ng product. Nagkakaroon tayo ng comparing, nag-e-explore tayo at tinitingnan natin, okay, may pagkakaiba ba? Ito ba yung binili ko or hindi? Ayan, we are exploring things po doon. Ayan, assess and critic. Tama po yan. Next po. Yan. First time, nakita nyo na yung teacher. In this photo, what can you say about it? What are the doing words for the learners? Discussing, sorting out, interacting, yan. Correlating, cooperating, brainstorming, sharing ideas, collaborating, playing. Experimenting, teamwork, differentiate things, engaging, discussing, decoding, identify. And kung mapapansin niyo po, dito sa photo na to, lumabas na si teacher. Di ba? So actually, they are creating. For me, it's the verb here is create. They are creating words using these letters po. And may role si teacher. And ano ang role ni teacher? The teachers are the co-creators of students' learning. Yan, kung hindi po pwede na ang bata lang Okay po? Kasi niisip natin, okay, sige lang, nagbigay ko na naman yung instructions ko sa kanila, go na. Matututunan na nila yun. But we should remember that teachers are the co-creators of students' learning. Kasi sa 21st century approach, we say that teachers are the facilitators of the learning. Tama po. Tama po ba? We are the facilitators of the learning.
Yes.
Wala na tayo dun sa traditional way of teaching na the teacher will be the one who will talk all the time. Yeah, lecture type. Wala na tayo doon. Kasi sa 21st century, we are the facilitators of the learning. And as the facilitator of the learning, we need to co-create students' learning, our students' learning. Kasi may mga possibilities yan na akala nila tama sila. So kapag hindi tayo nag-guide and nag-supervise or nag-co-create ng learning na yan, paglaki nila, ayan na, hindi yun yung nakita ko yun yung paniniwalaan ko, yun na yung na-discover ko so yun na yung paniniwalaan ko. So with the help of the teachers, mas lalong lumalawak yung understanding ng bata. Okay pa? So next, how about this one? What are the doing words for learners? My teacher then. And look at the reaction of the teacher and the other kids. They are discussing, sharing, interacting, asking, socializing, smiling, collaborating, motivating, facilitating, deliberating. Yeah, it can be deliberating. Having fun, elaborate, listening and integrating. Okay, so in this picture, ayan, maybe she's happy with the conclusion of what the students figure out in their activity. Yeah, ayan, possible yan. And in this photo, in this picture, I could say that they have sharing moments. Okay, the teacher and the students are sharing. Okay, so ito yung kinaganda diyan sa inquiry base, okay? When we are inquiring, it's not just about asking questions, okay? Or finding answers, but also we need to share all the things that we gathered, all the data that we gathered, all the solution that we found, okay? And discuss it with the teacher. Yan, sabi nga ni Ma'am Edita. So the idea, this sharing is the idea of the culmination and celebration of learning. So we are celebrating na ang bata ay naintindihan pala yung lesson or yung topic na ibinibigay natin sa kanila. Yan. So this is the sharing moments. And finally, with all these verbs, all the doing verbs that we shared, we need to remember that the heart of all this process is to reflect. Okay? This is really important. Siya po yung heart ng lahat ng process na ito. Why? Because from different steps po na ginagawa ng mga bata, we need to look back. Tama ba yung ginawa nila? Ano yung mali? What went well? What went wrong? Yun po. And we always need to reflect. Hindi lang po kayo as a teacher, magre-reflect tayo na tama ba yung ginawa ko, tamang strategy ba yung ginawa ko sa mga bata. But at the same time, reflecting, yung mga bata nagre-reflect din na, ay tama ba yung investigation na ginawa ko? Tama ba yung pinagkuha ng kong source? May mali ba dito sa ginawa ko? So yun po, it's the heart of all this process is the reflection. Okay, looking at this po, yan. Ito po yung mga verbs na ginamit natin. And this is the inquiry process na binigay ni Geraldine DeFascio dito sa video. Yan, we wonder, we discover, then explore and connect, create, share, and we reflect. Ayan po. So the verbs na ginamit natin dito, these are the process po of inquiring. Okay?